Right, a little test of my pan and tilt. I don't need a great deal of tilt because you can't really see much above. So there's the tilt. The guy's head moves, which is hilarious. And then we've got a big range on the pan. Look at that. I can look right inside the door, but I can obviously cut this down because there's going to be dead areas where you can't see much. So it's a big range. Just running this off of my sliders at the moment. So I'm just going to go outside now and test the video. Right, little test rig set up. In here I made a harness from an old ESC and an old FOS guy. We'll see if I'll be using Crossfire in this, so just for tests. And there we are. So yeah, no wings on, purely just a video test today. Temperatures are pretty good. I've noticed with the little plastic cover on it gets hotter and it will start to shut down, but I think when I'm flying, I've got a cut hole in the front of the turret. When I'm flying it will be fine, so yeah, not worried. That's a great little fan. Anyway, that's all.